In this video, I want to show you how you can install fonts for Create only. So doing this way is not installing fonts to your computer. So they will not show up in any other program. This is for Create only. So what you would do is take an OTF, TTF, or OPF font and put it in your document folder, Starcraft Create My Fonts. Okay, so what I've done with my fonts is I have installed fonts that's installed on my computer. I have opened zip files, and then I have TTF and OTF in Create, and then I have zipped fonts, okay, to kind of try to keep them organized. So what I can do then is once I place all of these open TTF, OPF, or OTF fonts, I can select all of these and put them in my Starcraft Create My Fonts folder, and then when I do that, they are all available here in Create. Okay, they're not installed on my computer, but they're available here in Create. Now, if you watched my document panel text video, I showed you how you can temporarily upload a font. But if you do it that way, once you close out Create, then open it again, that font that you temporarily installed will not be in your list. Doing it this way, placing it in your document folder, Starcraft Create My Fonts, then whenever you close out Create or open it again, they will still be there. So I thought that was a pretty cool feature in Create. Thanks for watching.